Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today I'm going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed from last week. If you missed last Monday, I went over the previous week like I'm doing today, covering all the updated parts and products that you needed to know about. On Tuesday, I covered the channel Northridge Fix, a YouTuber that you should follow if you're looking to get into console or computer repair. In the video we watched, he went over how he troubleshooted and fixed an iPad, so check that video out if you haven't already. On Wednesday, I showed how I reball an IC. This video showed how I reball an IC chip. I gave away some of my tips and tricks, so hopefully you'll be able to use them. If you're looking to get into board repair, this is a skill that you definitely need to have. So go back and watch that one if you haven't already. On Thursday, we talked about microsoldering and the in-depth tools that you need to have if you're looking to make this kind of a staple part of your business. And on Friday, we went through and fixed a water-damaged iPhone, so check that video out if you haven't already. So something that you might have missed as well, we now have in stock more of the small parts compatible with the iPhone and Galaxy devices. So definitely take some time to browse through MobileSentrix.com and look at all that is new on the site. And one of the cool new things as well is the genuine OEM parts for the Google Pixels. So definitely check those out if you repair Google Pixels. And last but not least, we hope to see you this week, tomorrow and Wednesday, at the expo in the Caesars Palace in Las Vegas. Come find us at booth 327. We hope to see you there. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you tomorrow for another video.